Different ways by which SGLT2 inhibition can improve heart failure are natriuresis and osmotic diuresis. These in turn leads to reduction of plasma volume and preload, and associated decrease in blood pressure, afterload and arterial stiffness follows. Reduction in afterload can improve subendocardial blood flow as well. SGLT2 inhibitors are a new class of oral hypoglycemic agents. EMPA-REG outcome trial with empagliflozin and CANVAS program with canagliflozin were the two important initial studies which demonstrated favorable cardiovascular effects of SGLT2 inhibitors. CANVAS-R was CANVAS renal study. Total number of participants in CANVAS program, which included CANVAS and CANVAS-R, was 10,142 patients who had type 2 diabetes mellitus and high cardiovascular risk. Four main potential reasons for protection against heart failure hospitalization by SGLT2 inhibitors were: 1. Contraction of plasma volume and reduction of blood pressure, reducing preload and afterload. 2. Increased ketone production can be used for production of ATP by the myocardium more efficiently. 3. Inhibition of sodium-hydrogen exchange in myocardial cells can lead to reduction of hypertrophy, systolic dysfunction, fibrosis and remodeling. 4. Reduced arrhythmic risk, possibly due to suppression of sympathetic nervous system leading to lower sudden cardiac death. Several other potential mechanisms for cardioprotection with SGLT2 inhibitors include: 1. Increase in erythropoietin levels and erythropoiesis. 2. Reduction in hyperuricemia mediated by glycosuria. 3. Decreasing epicardial fat mass. 4. Improving vascular function. 5. Prevention of ischemia reperfusion injury. 6. Reduction of inflammation. Key advantages of SGLT2 inhibitors are their efficacy in treatment and prevention of heart failure, efficacy on top of excellent background therapy including ARNI blockade, rapid onset of benefit, efficacy independent of glycemic status, and associated renal protection. Here are the first set of references on benefits of SGLT2 inhibitors in heart failure. Second set of references are here.